Hello everyone, this is our session number 2 of lesson number 2. In this session we are going to learn how to arrange windows, okay, and options of start button, okay. These points we are going to learn in this session. So let's see what we learned in last session. In last session we learned what the different features of what a Windows operating system, what is operating system, different examples of operating system, and what is Windows. These points we learned in last session, and I hope you all understand what I taught in last session. Okay, now let's see the first point of this session. Our first point of this session is working with multiple windows. At the same time, if you want to show or work with the multiple windows, okay, then we can arrange those windows by using what the different options offered by Windows operating system to arrange what the windows, okay, which you open, okay. And you can see those options are listed here in this context menu. Here are those options. You can see first one, cascade means it will arrange what the open windows, okay, in stack form, one after one, okay. Then show windows stacked, okay, this is another arranging option. Then next one, it is show windows side by side. Side by side will show what the window, okay. If more than two windows are there, you will see what its style form. Then show desktop will help you to show the desktop, that we learned in last session, okay. Now let's see how to use those options. See the first one, the first option is cascade windows. Now how to apply this cascade arrangement option or cascade window option to arrange what the open windows. If you want to arrange the open windows in cascade form, then simply you have to right click on the taskbar. We know where is the taskbar. It is located at the bottom of the desktop. You can change its place, okay. You can take it to right up, okay, but the default or by default it is located to the bottom of the desktop, okay. Now we have to arrange those windows which we opened in which form, in cascade form is a type of arrangement, okay. So let's see how to arrange opened windows in cascade form. So right click on for a taskbar. This is taskbar. You can see here, right click on it. When you will right click on it, then you will see here cascade windows. Cascade window will help you to arrange the opened windows in cascade form, that means in a queue, okay, one after one. Click on it. When you will click on it, you can see here those windows are arranged in cascade form, okay. This is our first window in which we are working, and this is the second window, okay. I hope you all understand how to arrange in cascade, okay. Now let's see the next one. After the cascade form to arrange windows in Windows operating system, let's see what is the next one. This is the stacked form, okay. Here it will allow you to arrange multiple windows, okay, vertically, one after one. That means one below one you can arrange, okay. Or here you will see windows one above one, okay. So this is called what a stack. Now let's see how to arrange open windows in stacked form. Right click on what a taskbar. Here is the taskbar. Right click on it, okay. See, do not right click on what any program icon, okay. You have to right click on our empty taskbar. If it is a taken, or if it is used by any program, okay, to place itself, don't right click on it. You will see here different options, okay. So right click on what the taskbar, then click to what show windows stacked. Right click on it and select what show windows stacked, okay. When you will click on show windows stacked, you will see here windows one below one, okay. I hope you all understand this option also. Let's see what is the next one. This after stacked, our next option, that is side by side, okay. Here horizontally it will help you to arrange what the windows, okay, means whatever windows you open, you want to show all these windows horizontally, okay, one after one or side by side. You can use the side by side feature or side by side option or side by side form to arrange what the open windows. You have to follow the same steps what we follow to arrange windows in a stacked form, also in a cascade form. Right click on taskbar, okay, then select show windows side by side. You will see here the windows side by side. This is the side by side option to arrange what a window. Okay, now let's see what is next. This after side by side, the next one is shutdown options in Windows 7. Okay, actually shutdown option in Windows is used to turn off computer, but before that let's see some other options. Okay, from the taskbar context menu or from the taskbar properties, right click on taskbar. Already we worked with the Cascade Windows, show windows stacked or show windows side by side. Let's see what is desktop or show the desktop. This one is used to show what the desktop, that means it will minimize or it will help you to view the desktop. Just click on it. Okay, simply it will minimize the programs what you open. Okay, you will see here the desktop, and you can see the desktop using this option also. Okay, without minimizing what or without closing, okay, what any single window. See, like this. Now I'm working with this window. I'm going to show what the desktop without minimizing this one. Then you have to go to show desktop. Simply you have to place the mouse pointer on it. You can see here the desktop. Okay, now just remove mouse pointer from this area. It will restore back. Then what is next? After the show the desktop, next one, that is start task manager. It will help you to show what the applications with which you are working. If you want to close any particular one, you can close it by using end task. You want to create a new task, you can create a new task also. Okay, and you can see the performance of what operating system by selecting any particular tab and process. These are the different processes are started, services are here. This is the performance of what a CPU. If it is a networking, you will see here the network chart. Okay, how many users are currently working now? Only one user is the active. Okay, so this is about what the task manager. Let's see some other options. Now lock the taskbar. Lock the taskbar will help you to lock the taskbar. That means you cannot resize what this taskbar. Also you cannot move its place, or you cannot change its place. You cannot move this taskbar. Why it is locked? If you want to change its place, then unlock it. Unlock. Now you can change its what height. You can change its location wherever you want. You can place it. Okay. Next, that is properties of what taskbar. Go to the properties of the taskbar. Here also you can lock the taskbar. You can auto hide the taskbar. You can use small icons. Whatever icons are here, if you want to show in small one, you can show this in small icons. Then you can change the location of what a taskbar. Okay, so these are some options which are there for taskbar properties. At the end you have to click to apply on, then click to OK. So it is about what the options which are related to what a taskbar. Okay, I hope you all understand the options of taskbar and properties of the taskbar. Now let's see what is the next point. Our next point is shutdown option in Windows 7. We all are familiar with the shutdown option. This option is used to shut down or to close computer after finishing any particular work. That means just now I completed my work and I don't want to use computer, then you can turn off your computer, you can shut down your computer, you can close your computer using shutdown option. Now let's see where it is present. Where is it? It is present in a start menu. Okay, you can see here shutdown option. Okay, simply you have to click on it. Okay, so to turn off computer you have to click on bottom start button. You will see start menu, or will open start menu, and you have to click to shut down. Okay, so these are the steps to shut down or to close computer. Okay, now let's see what is the next option. Next option is a switch user. Now let's see what is the use of switch user. Switch user is used to switch another account. That means multiple user accounts are created and you want to switch to particular account. Okay, then this option will help you to switch to that account, but it will not close what the applications or the files you opened with the current user account. Like I want to work with a B and currently I'm working in a user. Okay, so when you use what a switch user, then it will not close what the files or the applications what you open in a user account. Okay, simply it will show what the user accounts on a screen, and simply you have to select the user with which you want to continue. Okay, then what is next one? The next one, it is log off. Okay, this option will not close what the computer, but it will close what the programs. Okay, and will help you to open what the same account or the different account. Okay, that means when you will log off, then simply it will close the applications with which user you open. Okay, and at the end it will show what the list of users. Okay, and will allow you to select one of them. This after the next one, lock. By using what the lock feature, you can view different user accounts. Okay, but when you will use a lock feature, then it will not close what the applications what you opened. Okay, so it will leave what all programs that you open as it is. Okay, by using which option, by using lock option of what start menu. Then this after next one, that is restart. That means you want to reopen the operating system again, you want to start it again, then we use the restart option. It is there. Okay, in start menu. This after the next one, that is sleep. It will help you to consume what the less electricity if there is no any work. Okay, if you're going to if you're going to do any other work, okay, then what your system, then you can put it on sleep mode. Okay, so it will help you to what consume less electricity than actually it required. Okay, so this is about what the sleep, and it will not close what the applications what you open. Okay, so this is about what the sleep mode. Okay, at the end next, and at the end, that is hibernate. It is a combination of what shutdown and sleep mode. When you will use the hibernate option, then simply it will turn off your system. Okay, and will allow you to restore the programs, okay, which you open. Okay, that means it will not close the programs or the applications, okay, with which you was working. Okay, then when you will restart it, then whatever programs you opened, those programs will be restored back. Okay, and how it is possible? It is possible with the help of what a hibernate option. That means hibernate option will turn off your system, and when you will restart it again, then it will restore the programs or the applications or the files, okay, with which you was working or with which you worked. Okay, understand? So this is about what the hibernate. Now this after the next point is taking care of what a computer. Now if you are using computer, you need to maintain, you need to take care of what your computer. How you will take care? Okay, by removing what unnecessary files, okay, or by defragmenting what the files. Okay, that means these are what some tools. Okay, this will help you, or these are what some tools which are similar to what a first aid, and it will help you to repair your system, it will help you to take your system. Okay, so the first option, it is a disk cleanup. Okay, and this option is used to remove unnecessary files or unwanted files, or to free up what a space which is filled up, or which is stored with what unnecessary files. Okay, that means if any not necessary files are there, if any less important files are there, those files will be deleted. Okay, in which temporary files are the malwares, or maybe any other files. Okay, what are exist in a particular drive. Okay, now let's see how to clean up disk from unnecessary files or unwanted files or less important files. Okay, here are some steps which you have to follow to call what a disk cleanup. Okay, so what these are: so first you have to click on a start button, then click to all programs, then click to accessories, then go to system tools, and from system tools you have to call a disk cleanup. That is here, you can see, click on it. When you click to disk cleanup, you have to select a drive, or you have to select a disk from where you want to remove the unwanted or less important files. From C drive, if you want to remove it, select C drive. Instead of this, you can choose any other drive from which you want to remove the unwanted or less important files. Select one of this. After selecting this, you have to click to OK. If you don't want to continue, you can exit, but you want to continue, click to OK. You will see here the progress, okay, of what the removing unnecessary or unwanted files. Okay, if you want to stop in middle, you can stop it in middle. Okay, so what these are the steps to clean up what a disk from unwanted or less important files or unnecessary files. Okay, that means when you call it, it will clean what the unnecessary files. Okay, then this after the next one, that is the defragmentation of hard disk. First let's see what is defragmentation. Before that, let's see what is fragmentation. Fragmentation means what? When information on the hard disk not written together, that is called what? That is called what? A fragmentation, and that is responsible to decrease the speed and performance of the computer. Okay, understand? So what is fragmentation? Fragmentation means what? When information on the hard disk is not written together or is not assembled together, that is called fragmentation. That is responsible to decrease, or it is responsible to slow down the speed of what and performance of what? Computer. Okay, and let's see now what is the defragmentation. Defragmentation means what? To assemble the file parts, okay, or all parts of the file on particular location or on same location. That is called what? A defragmentation. Okay, and for defragmentation we have a disk defragmentation or defragmenter program. Now let's see how to defragment hard drive. To defragment hard drive or any drive of what a hard disk, then we have to follow the steps. What are the steps? To open defragmenter, to open disk defragmenter, to open disk defragmenter, we have to follow the same steps which we follow to open what? A disk cleanup. You have to click on a start button, go to all programs, then open my accessories folder, then go to ease of access, not ease of access, go to system tools, then go to disk defragmenter and click on it. Which one? Left click, you have to click on it. Will open disk defragmenter. It will help you to assemble what the different or it will help you to locate what the different parts of what a file on same location or on a particular location. A drive which you want to defragment, you have to select what? That drive. Okay, after selecting that drive, you have to, after selecting that drive, you have to click on what? A defragment disk. Now when you click to defragment disk, it will analyze, will start analyzing. After analyzing, it will start to defragment it. If you want to stop this one, you can stop this operation in between. Click to stop operation, it will stop, and it will take you to the drives list. Okay, so what these are the steps to defragment. I hope you all understand how to open disk defragmenter and how to defragment what? The disk. Okay, so this is one small activity to you people. You have to solve in your computer textbook, also you have to solve in your computer notebook. Okay, in next session we are going to learn what? File management, then how to open file explorer and the different parts of file explorer, and we are going to create files and folders. That means we are going to organize files and folders in next session. Okay.